I thought any time that you bought a tree, you would have some type of ball on the end of that tree.
Well, Danny, this is the time of year when nurseries have bare root trees, fruit trees, roses, and it's a perfect time, late winter, early spring, to go out and buy them. You go to the nursery and they have them in wood chips. Now, the important thing when you pull it out then is to get all of those wood chips off because it'll rob it of some nutrients.
Well, now, do we need to do some more digging here in order to plant
Oh,
it?
no. This is the crown. If you'll just set it right here, because we need the crown there so that it has some place to sit. And then we're going to continue to put the soil, mixing the soil with the compost. Now, another benefit of a bare root tree is that it hasn't sat in any other kind of soil, you know, like a container tree. And so its acclimation time is shortened because we're immediately putting it into this soil that's so nice. Now, you'll notice I have this stick here.
Yeah, what's the stick for?
Well, the stick is to make sure that your ground level doesn't exceed that height. We want to make sure that this tree is at least that high because as we continue to put the soil and irrigate it, it's going to continue to compact a little bit.
But now, this thing, even with all the dirt to fill up this hole, is not going to stand on its own, will it?
Oh, no, it's not. Well, we could have you stand here forever, but actually I have a stake and we'll be staking it as soon as we have all the soil in here.